fam, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us in our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our third paycheck in October and going over our final paycheck in October. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. And I am trying to film this while I have a little bit of daylight, and I apologize for that. So let me see if I can adjust this so you can see it a little bit better. So for our paycheck from October the 18th through October the 24th, in our expense category, we budgeted $402.06 for our phone bill, $400 for our extra payment, $37.55 for our meds, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, $10.89 for YouTube, and $1.99 for Google Stores. That came up to $868.68. And in our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. We budgeted $530 in our cash envelopes, $575 for our sinking funds, $200 for our backup funds, $200 for rollover, $160 for our savings challenges, $50 for our extra backup money, and $50 for our replacement money. That came up to $1,765. And in our actual category, we spent $490 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $40, $575 in our sinking funds, $200 in our backup funds, $200 in rollover, $160 in our savings challenges, $50 in our extra backup money, and $50 in our replacement money. That came up to a total of $1,725, which was a difference of $40. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $868.68, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the backup funds of $200, minus the rollover of $200, minus the savings challenges of $160, and minus the extra backup money and the replacement money of $100. That left a remainder of $227.55. In our actual category, our income was $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $868.68, minus the cash envelopes of $490, which was a difference of $40, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the backup funds of $200, minus the rollover of $200, minus the savings challenges of $160, and minus the extra backup money and the replacement money of $100. That left a remainder of $267.77, which was a difference of $40. In our paycheck from October the 25th through October the 31st, in our expense category, we budgeted $200 for Best Buy, $228.13 for Chase, $115.52 for our life insurance, and $7.62 for HP Inc. That came up to a total of $551.27. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $80 for our savings challenges, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came to a total of $940. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,572.35, minus the expenses of $551.27, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $80, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $81.08. So fam, as I stated in my last video, I lost a lot of footage. I lost the remainder of my August, all of my September, and I also lost week 2's paycheck in October. For some reason, my SD card was corrupt and that file just did not come over correctly. So there will be no week 2's video of our budget, and I apologize for that. I had to go buy a new SD card and I bought 2 just to be on the safe side. But it is what it is, and you will notice that there's a big jump. We started in October. So my grandson is having his birthday party. His birthday was on the 24th. We're going to the Great Wolf Lodge in Georgia. So I will probably be taking some of my backup funds down just for the expenses. So I'm hoping to enjoy yourself. He turned 5. Happy birthday, Roro. And we will see you tomorrow. But if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.